Good morning, my name is Sanjay, and today's video we're going to talk about density tower. To do the process we need this material. So first we're gonna have a jug without water, and we're gonna have this 2 cup of container which I already put honey, so we can do the process a little faster. We have milk, soap, honey, oil, and water, and this is the 5 solution we're gonna put in there. We're gonna put it in there, and let's do it. So I'm gonna put this solution in this jug slowly. Yeah, you have to do it slowly. Okay. That's one. And that's two. Okay, let's move on to the next solution. Okay, so this is oil, and I'm gonna put it for the next. Oh, come on. Next solution. Oh, yes. It did something. Oh, so as you guys can see, look, there's like honey and oil. So let's move on to the next solution. Okay, so this is the next solution, soap, and I already put it here. So let's put it really slowly. Yes, we have to put it. Have to put it slowly because it's soap, and we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it slowly. Oh, as you can see, the soap, it passed through the oil and it goes down below it, and that's quite amazing actually. So let's move on to the next solution. So we're gonna have milk for the next solution. So let's put it really slow because it's milk. Whoa, that is cool. Wait, what? Okay, that's okay. Slowly, slowly. Yup. Oh, so the milk went down below the soap, and the soap is below the oil. So new changes actually. So let's move on to the last solution. So this is the last solution. So let's put it on the wall. Okay, we gotta make it. Let's put it slowly. Okay, slowly. Where is it going? Okay, we're gonna put it slowly. Well, okay, so that's the last solution. So as you can see, we got the below, we got the honey, we got, and over there we got the milk, and there we got the soap, and we got the oil, and actually the water is below here, but you just can't see it. So do I. So let's start with the experiment. So this is the 3 objects that we're gonna do for experiment. So let's start with the rock. Oh, so as you can see, the rock dropped in the honey, if you can see over here. And now let's go for paper. It's still dropping. It dropped the oil, and it's still going down. Still going down. Oh, it's in the oil. Wow. Wait, it's in the oil. Yeah, it's going for soap. And now this is the last plastic. That's right. Wow. It's in the oil. Yes. So as you can see, the high density is low that the higher the more it sink. I mean the lower the more it sink, the higher the more it doesn't sink. So that's for today's video. So thank you.